Hey all, in this video I am going to discuss the Ethereum smart contracts available on the Xooa platform. This is the Xooa console with its various available features. Since the focus of this session is smart contracts, I'll select the smart contracts card. Once you log into the Xooa console, you can deploy unlimited smart contracts from various sources like private or public GitHub repositories, as well as from a local directory. This can be done on multiple networks, including Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum. To get more details on the smart contracts feature, let's select About and access the Xooa docs. Here are the Xooa docs. In order to deploy your own smart contract, you can either give Xooa the location of your GitHub account repository with your smart contract, or you can use the smart contract available in your local directory. The easiest method for this is to fork the Xooa GitHub repository that we provide with the necessary files. The link is provided right here on the center of the page. Now that we're done with this brief, let's check out the Xooa console and deploy our first app. In the dashboard, select the Deploy button at the bottom right on the Smart Contracts card. Select Deploy your first app. Under Networks, select Ethereum. Under Source, you can select either private GitHub, public GitHub, or the Xooa GitHub. I'm going to select the public GitHub for this example, and I'll type in my desired repository. Press select, and I'll input the required details under repository branch and select Test Ethereum Smart Contract. Here's the app name, and the description is directly below. The network will be public Xooa Net Ethereum. Now select Deploy. As the app is deploying, copy the generated API token and click to explore APIs. Now that we're in the API Explorer tab, paste the token in this upper left-hand field. From this page, we can invoke functions for Ethereum smart contracts. Returning to the details page, we can see in this green box up here that the app has been deployed successfully. Now that the app is deployed, return to the API Explorer. Under the Invoke Smart Contract function page, we can write directly to the blockchain ledger. I'll be referring to the samples provided by Xooa for this example. If you would like to learn more details about appending the ledger, read through this page. Otherwise, if we scroll down to the parameters section, located here, we can input the set function and click on try. Here we have the transaction ID because the API was successful. Next, we have the query smart contract function. From this API endpoint, we can fetch the key values that we have stored in the ledger. If we scroll down to the parameters section, we can input the get function in this field. And the argument in this field is arg1. Then select try. Here you can see that the payload fetched was arg2. On the API Explorer page, you can also use other endpoints that are available to you, like those under identities. You can create identities, delete them, and regenerate API tokens among other endpoints. Returning to the Xooa console, select Identities. On this page, you can create new identities. Let's name this one Identity 1 and give it read-only access. Consequently, this identity cannot be used to write into the blockchain ledger. Returning to the API Explorer, paste this new token into this field in the upper left-hand corner. If we invoke the smart contract and press try here, we receive a forbidden error. This is because this identity does not have proper permission. In the details section, you will get a description of the app like ID, name, description, README, ledger, branch, deployed version, blockchain ledger, and smart contract language. You can check the ledger by clicking on this button here. All transactions performed will be accounted for on this screen. You can also look at tokens and internal transactions. If we go to the activities menu, you will get the details whenever a new identity is created, when the app is deployed, and when the app is upgraded. From the manage page, you can upgrade or delete the app. Let's look at how upgrading the app works. Currently, the app version we have deployed on Ethereum is version 1.0.0. So let's upgrade it. The app is now being upgraded. As you can see here, the app has been upgraded successfully. If we scroll down, we can see that the app version is now 1.1.0. So that's it from our side. Thank you so much for listening, and have a fantastic day.